Now, for same rating of auto exmer as two winding exmer, our motto, we are focused on if what is the effect of if same rating of auto exmer and two winding exmer means that is auto. Okay, if V1 I1 this is equal to V2 I2, let us consider a V1 by V2 this is equal to N1 by N2 is greater than 1. Okay, suppose that is two winding now, and second one that is auto exmer like this one, corresponding to condition V1 V2 are same, that's why V1 and that is V2, number of turns in primary side and secondary side in two winding and auto X, that is also same. Okay, like this one, clear? That is V1. Now if number of turn in primary side is N1, what about if there is V1 and that is V2, it means V1 minus V2. That is V1 minus V2. What about number of turns? You can also say that N1 minus N2. If primary number of current are I1 corresponding to condition that is I2, suppose that is Ix plus I1 this is equal to I2, so Ix is equal to I2 minus I1. Clear? Okay, now voltage per turns this big Vt in both winding, in both auto transformer and two winding transformer are same. Why? Because of number of turns and voltage rating are same, that's why Vt is equal to root 2 pi f phi m, same for both means exmer and two winding transformer, auto transformer and two winding transformer. Now we are focused on saving of the material. Now saving of conductor material in auto exmer, that is copper wire in auto exmer, we are focused on auto exmer. In saving of conductor material in auto exmer, it's effective or not, basically our motto. Okay, if same rating of the auto exmer and two winding exmer, like this one, V1 and V2 in primary and secondary both are same, and number of turn primary and secondary is same. I know that volume of copper wire, that is A into L. Volume of copper wire means if this is A and length is L, I know that L is proportional to N, that is number of turns, clear? If number of turns is higher, it means length is higher, it is clear? So if you want to saving of conductor material, it not only depend upon the number of turn, it's also depend upon cross section area of the wire. So it means you can say that volume of copper wire this equal to A into L, it is clear? Now current density in copper wire, J is equal to I by A, so you can say that A is proportional to I. If current is higher, it means cross section area is higher, If current is higher, it means cross section area is higher of the copper wire. So current area is decided by current rating. Clear? That is cross section area A. Now I know that volume of, you can say that written as volume of copper wire AL is proportional to, you can say that I into N, that is I into N. It is clear? Volume of copper wire AL is proportional to, you can say that, because of A is proportional to I and L is proportional to N, that's why you can say that A into L is proportional to Ni. Now you can say that our motto, we have focused on comparison between two winding and auto transformer. So volume of copper in auto excimer divided by volume of copper in two winding excimer is equal to, you can say that G auto divided by GTW is equal to volume of copper wire in auto excimer is proportional to N1 number of turn into current. So I1 into N1 minus N2, clear? Plus in corresponding to this winding, now corresponding to this winding, that is N2 into I2 minus I1, clear? Divided by two winding, that is N1, what about current? I1, and that is I2. So N1 I1 plus N2 I2. I know that I1 is equal to no load current plus I2 dash. Okay, you can say that if no load current is neglected, it means you can say that N1 I1 this will equal to N2 I2. So it is written as N1 I1 minus plus N2 I2 minus N2 I1 whole divided by, it is also written as N2 I2 plus N2 I2. N1 I1 this will equal to also N2 I2. So like this one, N1 I1 is also written as I2 N2 plus N2 I2 minus, that is 2 times I1 into N2 whole divided by 2 times N2 I2. Finally we got, this is also 2 times N1 I2. So finally we got, that is I2 minus I1 divided by I2, and this is 1 minus I1 divided by I2. Okay. So G auto divided by GTW, this will be equal to 1 minus I1 by I2. Now here I1 by I2 is written as, I1 by I2 is written as N2 divided by N1. So that is 1 by A. Now 1 minus 1 by A, it is written as A minus 1 divided by A. So finally we got G auto divided by GTW, this will be equal to A minus 1 upon A. It is clear? Now what is our conclusion corresponding to this one? Let us consider if A this be equal to, if A this be equal to 1.01, what about G auto? G auto this be equal to A minus 1, 1.01 minus 1 divided by 1.01, that is GTW. Finally, that is 101 into GTW. And if A this is equal to 1.1, so G auto this is equal to that is 1 by 11, like this one. So if A this is equal to 1.5, so G auto this is equal to 1.5 minus 1 upon 1.5, that is 1 by 3 into GTW. Okay, if consider that is 2, what about G auto? It is this equal to 1 by 2 into GTW. Clear? Now if A is 100, then what about G auto? That is 0.9 GTW. Clear? It means if A minus 1 is greater than 1, sorry, if A is greater than 1, if A is greater than 1, what about A minus 1 is closer to 1? In that case, G auto is equal to GTW. Approximate like this one. Clear? Means more effective if A is less than 2, then more copper saving in auto excimer. It is clear? If you want to more copper saving in auto excimer, then what about turn ratio? Turn ratio, or you can say the transformer ratio, always less than 2 and greater than 1, like this one. Make it. Corresponding question, a auto transformer having ratio A is given 0.8. Ratio means it means N1 by, suppose that N1 by N2 this is equal to 0.8. Okay. Now supply a load of 10 kilowatt. It means suppose that is auto transformer. Load is connected here. Load is connected here and source is connected here. That is PL. PL means S auto into cos phi, or you can say that as P0. Output power, that is output power, you can say that output power or P0 this is equal to S R2 into cos phi. If cos power factor is cos phi, then S R2 into cos phi. Now it is given that is 10 kilowatt. It is clear? Corresponding to question, an auto transformer having ratio 0.8 supply a load of 10 kilowatt. The power transfer inductively, our motto, determine power transfer. Power transfer means PW this is equal to, you know that PTW this is equal to STW into cos phi. Our motto, determine this one. Okay, it is clear? Now corresponding to question, transformer ratio 0.8, but we have draw the formula, already draw S R2 this is equal to A divided by A minus 1 into STW. Is this formula is valid only for A is greater than 1. This formula is valid only for A is greater than 1. Suppose that if V1 by V1 this is equal to N1 by N2 this is equal to 0.8, it means V2 by V1, or you can say that N2 by N1, that is 0.8. What about 1, 2, like this one? It means I know that V1, sorry, what about A? A is V max divided by V minimum, always consider. If V1 is greater than V2, then what about A? V1 by V2. If V2 is greater than V1, then what about A? We have considered V2 by V1. Clear? It means always consider the ratio of V1 V2 is greater than always 1. Okay. Now corresponding to this one, if consider this like this one, it means this is A corresponding to this formula. So now here SR2 into cos phi, this will be equal to A divided by A minus 1 into STW into cos phi. What about this one? This is also P0 and A divided by A minus 1. And what about this? That is PTW. Okay. This is 10. This will be equal to 1.25 divided by 1.25 minus 1 into PT. What about PTW? This will be equal to 2 kilowatt. So what about answer? Power transfer inductively, that is 2 kilowatt. Okay. If anyone want power transfer conductively, our motto, if determine power transfer conductively, it means this will be equal to S conductively into cos phi. Our motto, what about P conductively? Okay. I know that first of all make it. Now I know that VA transfer inductively means that is STW. So S conductively, this will be equal to SR2 minus S inductively. Now SR2, if multiply both sides cos phi, S conductively into cos phi, this will be equal to SR2 into cos phi minus S inductively, or you can say that STW into cos phi. Clear? Now that is P conductively. This is P0 minus PTW. P0 is 10 and that is 2. Finally that is 10 kilo. That is 10 kilowatt is the final answer. Make it. Now corresponding to question, a single phase supply R220 volt 50 Hz is to be obtained from 400 volt 50 Hz source. First of all, rating are given. Clear? And ratio A. What about A? Which ratio you prefer? 220 by 400, that is less than 1, or 400 divided by 220 is greater than 1. Which rating is preferred? Like this one. It means 400 divided by 220, that is 20 by 11. Clear? Now I know that GTW divided by G auto, that is A divided by A minus 1. Finally that is 20 by 9 is the final answer. Make it.